In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double book on Vagaro. Navigating your scheduling software effectively is key to maximizing your business's efficiency, especially when you're aiming to optimize your calendar to accommodate as many clients as possible. Vagaro provides an excellent platform for this, offering a variety of features designed to streamline your booking process. Today, we're going to focus on double booking, a useful feature for those moments when you're looking to squeeze in an extra appointment or two. Whether you're a seasoned Vagaro user or new to the platform, this step-by-step guide will ensure you're double booking like a pro in no time. First things first, we need to access Vagaro. Open up your web browser and type in Vagaro's URL, or simply search for Vagaro in your preferred search engine. Once the Vagaro homepage loads, you'll find yourself looking at the front gate of your scheduling empire. Next, locate the login button, which is usually situated in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you closer to managing your schedule. Given the plethora of login methods available today, Vagaro offers several options, but for quick access, we'll use Login with Google. This is a handy option if you've already linked your Google account with Vagaro, providing a seamless way to access your dashboard without the need to remember another password. After clicking on Login with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for logging in. Choose the account you have previously linked with Vagaro. Upon successful authentication, you'll be directed to your Vagaro dashboard, a command center where all the magic happens. From your dashboard, you need to find and click on the Go to My Business option. This is your gateway to managing all things business on Vagaro, from your services offered to client bookings. Now, to delve into the heart of our guide, double booking appointments. For this, you'll navigate to your calendar. Vagaro's calendar is the backbone of your scheduling, providing a clear and intuitive interface to manage appointments. You can access it directly, often through a link or from within the My Business section. Once you're viewing your calendar, it's crucial to select the Day view. This gives you a detailed look at your available slots for any given day, making it easier to pinpoint opportunities for double booking. As you eye your daily schedule, look for a small empty space within your desired time slot where you intend to add an additional appointment. This might require a bit of zooming in or careful scrolling given the compact day view layout. After finding the perfect slot, go ahead and click on New Appointment. This action brings up a new window or overlay where you can begin specifying the details of the appointment you're adding. Within the new appointment setup, you'll first add the service you're booking. Vagaro provides a drop-down list or search function for you to find and select the specific service quickly. Then it's time to assign a time for your newly added service. Even if you're double booking, Vagaro allows you to specify start times that might overlap with other appointments slightly, depending on the flexibility of your services and personal working pace. Now choose your customer. Here you can select from your existing clientele or add a new client to your database. Vagaro's client management system is robust, ensuring you can keep track of preferences, past appointments, and contact details seamlessly. The final step is to click on Book. This confirms the appointment, securely placing it within your calendar alongside any other scheduled services. Vagaro will handle notifications and reminders, ensuring both you and your client are up to date. Remember, double booking is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can significantly enhance your business's operational efficiency. It allows you to manage overlapping appointments without compromising on service quality, perfect for short consultations or when one client's service involves waiting periods that can be utilized to serve another client. A few additional tips to keep in mind include: always communicate with your clients about any potential overlaps to set proper expectations. Consider the nature of the services to avoid any possible quality compromises, and continuously review your scheduling to learn from each day. That's all there is to it. With practice and careful management, double booking on Vagaro will soon become a second nature part of your scheduling strategy, helping you to make the most out of your valuable time. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy scheduling, and see you in the next video.